This conference will now be recorded.
When if anyone asks you the deploy a window web server or like a website in a cloud, there are the multiple way. The first way is you can just create via instance or via VM. So the first point is you can create a VM. So when you create a VM, there are the two things is available. When you create, you can deploy a website is either in a Microsoft platform or either you can Linux platform. So you know you can create you can create a Windows instance or like a Windows VM, or also you can install a Linux. You create a tool like you're the company asks you can deploy a website to either, so you ask the question, okay, sir, I'm deploy the website in Windows platform or either we deploy the website in a Linux platform. When your company asks you can deploy in Windows, so you can install a server operating system, and where companies told you or ask you can deploy the my web servers in a Linux platform, then you install a Linux. Maybe you can install like a Ubuntu, Red Hat Linux, any Linux. Also, after installation, you can just install the web server services. In a Windows, we install the IIS web services. Or when you deploy websites in a Linux platform, you can deploy Apache. Got it this point?
Yes.
This is a way. But Azure, but cloud also provide the one more platform. You can deploy the website. You don't require these types of setup. That means it provides a compute less infrastructure. So Azure also provides the compute less infrastructure. That means it's managed by the own. Each and everything managed by the Azure. But in that scenario, you can just first you can just create a server, then you execute the your website. But here you don't buy the server, you can directly execute the website. So this service called name is app services. Got in my point?
Yes.
The use of app services.
Yes.
So you can deploy a website through the app services. In a app services, so how to create a app services? So now I'm create a two app services. I'm create a one app services in a India location, and second app services I'm create a US location. Got it? Got it the point? So now I'm created two
Yes.
app services right now. So how to create a app services? That means I'm created two different websites or either same website. Choice is yours. So now I'm create a website. So I'm just click on go to the Azure portal, and you remember the first of all I'm create a resource group, and I'm give the resource group name is called my app RG. So I'm just like the pay as you go subscription and give the name is my app RG, my applications resource group. And now I'm create these resource group in East US, and now review and create. After that, I'm create a two web servers. So each and every web server, you can select the configuration you need, which service, which things you need. So now I'm just click on a home. So there's a some and click, and I'm click on app services and create app services. Select the resource group. Now give the app services name is like a US app. So I'm give the name of US app. Now you can deploy this service in a code or via Docker containers. So now I'm execute this app services through a code. Now we have select the code you can deploy for which type of website. So which type of code you can execute. Your website is running on a .NET platform or Java platform or Node platform, in which backbone or back platform you are using. So now I'm using like a PHP. Then second is the operating system. It's managed by the Azure. It's deploying Linux, or either the reason you select a reason. So now I'm selecting, I'm deploy this infrastructure in East US. And these are the plan, like what is the size you required, which service you can add on with your app services. So like you add the DNS service, database services, so which services you require. So I'm just select, I'm change this plan, and this is the basic plans of like and like if I'm select this plan, so it give you the like custom domain, auto scale, staging, the traffic managers. These all plans, but with the approximately cost of like a 3.5 GB of memory, and the approximately cost is DV2 series. So choices you can select a different plans is available. So now I'm selected this one plan, because we also configure with traffic manager also. If you can go to the basic tab, so you don't have a permission, you don't have an option of like a traffic manager storage. So you can the storage the 250 GB, this storage shared by the app deploy in the app services. So this approximately cost in a month is 5,311 rupees, Indian rupees. So there are the different plans are available. Now I'm select these are the basic plan, like is a production. If I'm just go to the developer plan, or if I'm select, you can see there's only two options available, memory and storage. And there's a no any custom domain, and these options are available. When we have select this option, so you can see there's a no traffic manager is available. The only 2 3 options are also available, but I'm just go to the productions and I'm select that this one plan, and these all options are available in the traffic manager. I'm also introduced with this. Now apply. Got it the plan?
Yes.
Now just click on the next, and deployment settings, I'm not enable any deployment settings. I'm just review and create. So I'm created, this is the first app services with the name of USF. Now I'm deploy another app services with the name of like India app. So as per the diagram, I'm deploying the two app services. I'm again go to the app services tab and console, and then click on a create. And now I'm create one more app services. Select the same resource group. I'm give the name is like the INDIA India app. So is IND app. So the app name is India app is not available. So now I'm like DLHI Delhi app. So now I'm give this name is Delhi app. And now just click on a code and I'm select. We have deployed in a again PHP website or either any one website. I'm just click on this. Linux select in center India. I'm select. I'm deploy this is in center India. I'm using the same configuration, same plan for this location. So I'm just go in the developer and I'm select this one, and now just click on apply. Then review and create. One more thing, now I'm just how to upload a website. How to upload a website in this app services.
Okay.
This is another important task. So you are using there's a multiple way you can upload a website, but I'm using the one software. This software called name is FileZilla. So with the help of FileZilla, we have upload a website.
FTP, right?
Just a minute. It's running on. So now I'm just start for next process. So simply there the two app services is updated is successfully. You can see I'm just click on app services, or inside the app services there the two services is running, and my one is Central India and US India. How to access this app services is simply I'm just click on US app, and now you can see there the DNS is URL is available, the web URL. This is a URL. I'm just copy this URL and paste in a browser, and you can see these are the default web page of your app services. But I'm just upload my customized website. So how to upload a website, customized website in this scenario? Now I'm just click on US app services and then go to the deployment center. Inside the deployment center, when you store your website in either a GitHub or either a Dropbox or either a Outlook, Google Drive, so where you can upload your website and location. So how to upload a website in app services? I'm just using the FTP credentials, and these are the FTP credentials. Or you can see we have put the username is Gotham ICCP. I'm just set the new username is like US app ser. So I'm just give the name is US app. So I'm create a one user, and now I'm just also create a password is US app at 1234, and like US app at 1234. So now I'm create a one user with the name of US app, and I'm put the password of US app at 1234 and US app at 1234, and now click on a save. So the specific password does not meet. Yeah, so like I'm just capital U, and I put the so US app at 123, and now click on a save. So now I'm just update the US app password. Now how to access this app services and how to upload a website? So there's a simply way. I'm just using the one software is called software name is FileZilla. So now I'm search. These are the software is available, the FileZilla. I'm using this software. Oh, any multiple softwares are available. So simply these are the my FileZilla software, and I'm just click how to connect. So just give the one is a host name. So what is the host name? So I'm already saved this configuration. I'm just again click on this overview tab, and you can see this all information is available in this location. Like one is a host name. So this is a this URL is my host name. The username of this is my username. So I'm just click on a host name, and I'm just come to there here and like paste in a host name the username. This is my username is usapp/usapp, and I just click on here. And now the password, the password is capital USApp at 1234, and now click on quick connect. So when it's connected successfully, is the connect TS connection is established. Now I'm upload a website. So this is my systems. So this is my system, or this is a default page. Now I'm just delete this default page, and you can see at this time there's a no website is working. I'm just refresh. You can see the 403 forbidden error is available. Now I'm upload my customized website in this app services. So now I'm just click on this one. I'm just upload this website. I'm just copy this code and move to this location. And when this moving is done, so you can see that it's successfully transfer my code for this location. So the all entire website is copied in my system to app services console. Yeah, it successfully is console, and now I'm just refresh. I'm just refresh. You can see there the one website is deploying perfectly. Got it? How to deploy the website in app services?
Yes.
Now I'm again we have created one more app services. Remember. So I'm just click on app services again, and now I'm just upload a website, one more website in Delhi app services, and I'm just click on a Delhi, and go to the deployment center. So I'm just click on a deployment center, or inside the deployment center there's a n number of options are available. You can deploy a website through a like a GitHub. Your website code is available on a GitHub and Bitbucket and local git. So there's the n number of source is available. You can just upload a website, but I'm using the FTP concept. So that I'm just click on a FTP again. I'm just create our username. So I'm just create a username is called like DELHI Delhi, and the password is like ASD at 1234, and this is my password. So now I'm created the Delhi app. The username is Delhi, and I put the password is ASD at 1234, and now the save. And again I'm just copy. Again I'm just access this web services. Is it the simply I'm just click on the overview and then copy the host URL. Again I'm just copy the host, and this is my host. I'm just copy the host and then open the FileZilla software, and now paste. And username is I like Delhi app/Delhi. I'm just click and then click on Delhi app Delhi, and the password is ASD at 1234. And now click on a quick connect. Now I'm upload a one more another website in this web server. So I'm just check that the one more website is available, the wiki master. These are the default page of the website. I'm just delete it, and now I'm just copy it and move. Now it's done.
Yes.
Fine. So I'm just moving the next part. Is it the simply way? Just I'm just check and I'm just copy the app services URL of the Delhi and then paste in a browser and now enter. You can see the another website is open. Now the one more thing, that this start like a big billion day is start now, and immediately after 5 minutes your website, this entire website is changed, and they're using the same URL. So now I'm just using the slots is that means you can switch the website immediately when your the current active website is running on this website is currently active and daily locations, but you can just
Mhm.
switch the website immediately. So we have already created a two website and we are using the concept of the swapping. Now there's the one more website is available in my system. I'm just uh wait, I'm just see the web page is available or not. So I'm just click on the download sections or inside download sections. Just wait the yeah, AQ business is this is one website, more one website is available. Now I'm just copy this website and paste in a D drive. Just a minute. How to add a multiple slot in a single URL or single app services. So now I'm just click, you can see the one more option is available in the deployment slot. So I'm just click on the deployment slot and add a slot. So now I'm just click add a slot and I'm give the slot name is like the Delhi app. Now I'm create like one more app like Mumbai app. I'm create one another app services is a Mumbai app, and do not clone settings. So I don't know, okay, I'm not tape is the cloning of the this one. I'm like a Delhi app. So and now no, I'm not asking you can clone. I do not clone the settings and now add. So I'm create a one more app services and now I'm upload a one more website in this app services. So the fail to create a multiple encounter internal server, diagnostic information, transmission, subscription, this tracking ID of this request to correction ID. What happened? Just click on add. Name is Mumbai app. If I'm just put the Delhi app settings, wait 1 minute, cloning kar lete hain, then we have changed the IP, but it's the slot is not adding right now. What happened? Just a minute. So now the 100% the slot is added. And now you can see if the new slot is added is a Delhi Mumbai app and Delhi app and Mumbai app. So these are the apps are now I'm just copy this slot and you can check if I'm just click on here. There's the same. This is a Microsoft Azure services. So this is my another app services is a Mumbai app services, but I'm adding this as a slot. Now I'm just upload a website in this. So I'm just go to the again the deployment center and create a username and configure the username, same process FTP, and now I'm just click on Mumbai. Username is Mumbai and the password is AST at 1234 and then and now save. Then again I'm just open the FileZilla and now upload a one more website in this app services. So the username is AHT at 1234. Password is AHT. And now just click on a overview section and copy the host name, and this is my host name. I'm just click on a host name, and you can see the username. The username, the Delhi app is my primary, and I'm add one more slots. That's why the Delhi app underscore the Mumbai app. Got it the point?
Yes.
You understand my points there?
Yes. Understood.
Now I'm just click this one, and after that I'm just update one more web services web page in this website. So I'm just go to the D drive, and now I'm just copy the one website. This one I'm just copy it and move. And now you can see if I'm just refresh of this website. So this is my Mumbai app website. I'm just paste. Fine. And this is my one more app services is available in Delhi app services. So this is my Delhi app services, and I'm just copy the URL of this particular services. So I'm just copy it in this is my one another URL. So the both URL are completely different. You can see the Delhi app.azure website.net, and here is a Delhi app hyphen Mumbai app azure.net fm. But now the remember the why I'm using this, like you need for swap the website. So how to swap? We are using the same URL, but your website is changed. So I'm just using the concept of the swapping. So now you can see the option is available. I'm just available in a Delhi website and Delhi app, and inside the Delhi app I'm just using the concept of swapping. So now there you can see the option is available swap. I'm just click on a swap. So the my swap is a source is my Mumbai Delhi app. So now the I'm just source is my Delhi app, and target is Delhi app. So I'm just show key Mumbai app. So where is my source is Delhi app. I'm available in Delhi app and swap with, yeah, Mumbai app. What happened? So the target is Delhi app, source is Delhi app hyphen Mumbai. So I'm just using the swapping key. This it's distribute, and now click on a swap.
Okay.
So when you're using the swap, you can see that automatically this website changed to Mumbai.
Okay.
Got it? Why I'm swap this one?
Yes. Understood.
So this is a very easy. That's why the Azure is used in a market. Just wait. So now and close it, and now I'm just click on refresh. So you can see your website is automatically changed. Got it?
Got it. Yes.
Now I'm again apply the same process. I'm again click on a swap. For a system change, you can see the Delhi Mumbai is available and the Delhi app is target. At this time, just swap this to this. So now just again click on a swap. Just a minute. So hope you easily understand the concept of the swapping, why we are using the swapping. And again refresh, you can see the again same website is coming. So like there's a some some offer are available, like some big billion days or some offer are apply in night 12 o'clock. So what is the way? It's not possible that your company is deploy the website in within a 5 minutes. That's it's already designed the website and the configure, and that's the before execute the timing. It just swap the website and your new website are published in the same URL.
Got it.
Now the one more option and one more thing I'm just apply in this scenario, like your app services I will, as well as I'm just apply like simply. So like traffic manager, what is the traffic manager? The basically the traffic manager is one kind of DNS load balancer. The traffic manager is a one kind of DNS load balancer.
Okay.
Like we are just asking the first of all the my if the anyone can the my traffic is come in my URL, so it's forward for which location. That we have said there the multiple web services is are available. Got it my point?
Got it. Yes.
So your priority, or you can set ki your load is distributed on a first priority of this. When it goes down, then it's transferred to this. Got it?
Got it.
Understand the point?
Yes. Got it.
So these are the multiple way you are using the weight, you are using the priority. So now I'm using the concept of the priority. So how to create a traffic manager? So I'm just click and go to the Delhi already. But before configure the traffic manager, your app services are available. So now I'm created 3 app services. You will remember like in Delhi, Mumbai, and US. So I'm
Yes.
just configure in a traffic manager. These are the traffic manager profile. What is the traffic manager? I'm explaining you in Google. Like I'm just going Google and type what is traffic manager. What is traffic manager in Azure? You can see the Azure traffic manager is a DNS based traffic load balancer. This service allow you to distribute traffic to your public facing application across the global Azure region. Got it the point?
Got it.
So
Yes.
now I'm just create in a traffic manager. I'm just simply I'm go in login with our portal, and now I'm create a traffic manager. I'm just click on a create, and this is the one kinds of load balancer. I'm just give the name is like ICCP info TECH tech. I'm give the name of the traffic manager ICCP info tech dot traffic manager dot net. The routing based, weight based. I'm set the priority. I'm just set the priority. I'm select the pay as you go subscription and select the my app resource group, and now create. If you see in that through the practical, I'm deploy the website, but I'm not create any virtual network or any server, because the each and everything managed by the Azure. So this is the
Got
entire
it.
the compute less services. So now I'm just configure our traffic manager. After that, just we have add and we have create a rule inside the traffic manager. So now I'm just click on the go to services. I'm come to the ICCP info tech inside the traffic manager. and you can see the option is available here. This option is available is like wait a minute, 1 minute, one minute. Click on a configure. So not this one, just a minute, 1 minute. I'm just little bit, yeah, I'm just click on an endpoint, and then endpoint I'm just click on a add, and then you can see the Azure endpoint. So now I'm just create Azure endpoint like uh US app. So I'm just select the US app. You are using the cloud services or app services. So I'm using the app service. So I'm select the app services. Inside the app services, using the slot. So now I'm using the app services. I'm not create any slot of US app. Got it my point?
Got it.
And now I'm just select US app services. And I'm set the priority is 1. The priority is 1. That means that my first request come to this. Now I'm adding the one more app services. I'm just click on add, and Azure like DELHI Delhi app. And in a Delhi app, I'm just using the app service slots. Or remember I'm created 2 slots in Delhi app. So now
Yes.
I'm select Delhi app. I'm select the priority 2 and which website you publish. So I'm select Delhi app Mumbai. Got to my point?
Got it. Yes.
Either I'm not select Delhi app Mumbai. I'm just select here is like app services. So, and then I'm select only the Delhi app services, and the 2 there's no option is available in a slot. So now I'm
Got it.
just click on add. Now I'm add one more slot. So the first priority, that means your website request come to the one this, and this is down, then traffic forward on this. Now click on add, or either you create a multiple app services. And now I'm just click on Azure endpoint. I'm like MUMBAI Mumbai app, and the cloud service is called a slot. The app services in a Delhi app, or inside the Delhi app, traffic manager endpoint, the same target is already accepted. Already I'm selected. So anyways, I'm just close it. So I'm explaining you here only. So now I'm just adding that these two. Now the currently the online is available. Now I'm just refresh. So at this time I'm just click on a overview tab and copy this DNS name. I'm just copy the DNS name and paste in a browser. So you can see that at this time my Mumbai, that my US app is open. Got to my point?
Got it.
But when I'm just go to the endpoint and click on this endpoint and just click on disable. When I'm disable this services and click on ICCP info tech, so this service is disabled. I'm just click on check endpoint and it's enable. 1 minute, what is click and just click on refresh. Wait, what happened? I think so there was problem of doing this. Now I'm just, is it status is checking the endpoint, so I'm just click on Delhi app and app services. Target is Delhi app, there the US app and Delhi app. I'm just click on a Delhi app. Priority is 2 and now save. I'm delete this one and I'm create again new app services, new traffic manager rule. Now click here and there the one service is available now. First of all, I'm just enable this one and save, and just copy this URL again. I'm just copied this URL and open in a new browser in incognito. and Control V and see the at this time it's working perfectly. Now I'm just adding the one more app services, one more slots. I'm just click on a endpoint and then click on add and endpoint Azure endpoint. Now the name is like the LHI Delhi app and the cloud services. I'm just app services. Choose the service in Delhi app and priority is 2 and now just click on add. So now that system you can see the enable option is available, but next time it's searching the app. Now the I'm just click on US app and now I'm disable this app services. That means due to any reason the my this location is goes down, then the this load app services is automatically forward the traffic to the another location. Is it priority 2?
Got it.
So now I'm just open here and now just click on a refresh. You can see the automatically my the another app services is live. Got it? The use of the app services and why we are using the traffic manager. Understood?
Yes.
Any
Understood.
question related to this?
No, no questions.
So now I'm just finished the two more topics in traffic manager and also we have covered in like traffic manager and the app services. And in the next class we have just introduced in our storage part. So I think so enough for today. Thank you. And any question related to this?
No questions.
So like you, if you like my video, so please share and subscribe my channel. It's possible.